Kuringana na muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya uheani wa njanjo ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini Ndagitari Willis Akware, hatiri nganja Akenya ni makinyukitie ikinya mbere ria kwiyumiria kwamukira njanjo ngurani iria ikoretwo ikiheanwo cia COVID-19. Matanya ma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na nyiti itemi sekta-ini ino mari gugikinyiria muthi wa mashujaa makorwo maheanite njanjo kuri Akenya matanyihiire milioni 5.8 iri ya mbere ona kana ya keri.
They are turning up in extremely large numbers. People turning up, the cabinet secretary said, is now not the problem. The problem is to get the right, all the quantities at the right time. We are at the 3 million mark. Our principle is vaccinate as many people and as quickly as possible because we want the economy to open up.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa ndawa guku bururi-ini rwa KEMRI, ugwatania wa murimu wa COVID-19 ni ucokete thina maita meri, na uguo Akenya magithie na mbere na kwigitira undu umwe na kwamukira njanjo gikiro kia ugwatania kiaya gucoka thi ona makiria.
Infection rates are low. They are low. The wave that was occasioned by Delta is waning. That doesn't mean that the infection rates are going to remain low forever. If a new variant comes and is aggressive, then the rate of infections will go. If people behave carelessly during the holidays, the infection rates will rise.
Kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria mambura magatabanirio, andu makiria ma 100,000 nio marikitie kwamukira njanjo ino thutha wa kaunti ino gutabania uheani wa njanjo kuri andu kimumu. Gavana wa kaunti ino Anne Mumbi wa Iguru akiuga ni marikitie gukinyiria namba iria matanyaga.
Mwena wa Mwea ni tuhitukitie 50,000 na turenda mathie na mbere magithecagwo niguo murimu tutigatigwo na thina ni undu wa andu aria magukorwo mokite ingi muno Kirinyaga.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, gavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga augite kaunti ino ikuhuthira muthi wa rucio kuheana njanjo ya COVID-19 kuri andu aria matamukirite.
Ni ta andu ta 400 magakoragwo magitheceerwo handu koguo wekorwo kinyite ho nigetha tuhote gukorwo tukinyetie andu 400,000 aria turenda gukorwo tuthecete gugikinya hindi.
Gavana Kahiga augite mari na matanya ma kuheana njanjo kuri andu matanyihiire 11,000 na namba ya iceceni cia kuri andu magathecerwo ni ciongereirwo kuma 35 nginyagia 67. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni wa